Hey guys, welcome to Imagine USA Expo. It's our first time visiting Imagine USA Expo and bringing our product to life. Let me show you some of the products that we have. So that's our top product. That's our camera harness, leather camera harness for best setup for 2 cameras. It's gonna distribute evenly the weight. So you wear it like this. You have 2 cameras set up here. And you basically just slide it. Let me show you some of our new products. So this is something new for us. This is Eco Leather. It's you can wear it as a belt bag over here, and it has this cool feature that you can actually hang a camera on here. So it also works like a harness. It's really cool. It's our new design, new product. It's made from Eco Leather. Okay, some of our new other products. Now we have this leather strap with the quick release, which is really cool, really fast to detach it. Here you go. So we have different models. We have padded models, classic version, and here you can see those like slimmer version for the little cameras. They all have now the quick release. And one more of our new item. So it's a phone rig for the video. You can shoot it like this. You can transfer it, shoot it horizontally. So there you go.